What's up traders? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We'll be doing a live trading session, live analysis and live discussion. This is the #1 trading channel, learning and also becoming a trader. This is the best go channel you'll ever find. So before I begin this today's session, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you are new or if you are following for some time, the first thing, smash the like button. Before I begin today's session, as you know that there is news already, one news is being announced and then the other one is coming at 11. Both of these news we will be covering in this live session, and as soon as we will find trading opportunity, we'll trade it, we'll learn together, grow as a trader. So I want you to stick till the end to see everything what's happening in the market. First of all, I want to look at NZD CAD. Now, as you have seen early today, I posted analysis on NZD CAD, and the price is doing, when the price was here, is going in the direction. Now, what I think that, let's look at what NZD CAD does. Now, as if you review my analysis, this is what I mentioned, that NZD CAD is likely to go there, probably will create a lower high and then could drop. Now looks like that the candle is something doing like that. We still can't guarantee until the candle close and see. We'll look at how it is doing, including gold as well, going up again, and we could find some trading opportunity in all these pairs. So as if you look at the news calendar, Forex Factory, this is the site where you can find all the news announcement. It's a free website for news calendar and other news available in this website. So if you look at this, which is now 10:33 p.m. Sydney time, okay, so CAD news already released. So what we have seen, the forecast was minus 0.1% GDP, which is way better than forecast. So we could potentially see some strengthening on CAD. Okay, so that means that we could see NZD CAD coming down, or other CAD pairs we could see CAD might get some little bit of stronger, and we see the price. You see that NZD CAD is manifesting that result. We see some some drop on NZD CAD. If we let it down, then we'll look at it how we can trade it. Now, as you can see that NZD news coming as well. So what is the NZD news is for the NZD RBNZ government or speak. So that one could be a little bit of volatile, but initially, as you can see, after the CAD news released, we see that NZD CAD started to drop. And what I'm expecting, if you look at the bigger picture on the daily perspective, this is long-term bearish market, and you see that the price went exactly where I have predicted the market. There is a weekly, this is the weekly candle, which is looks like that it's almost where weekly opening and closing started. Now let me look at the lower time frame to see if there is any opportunity for entering the trade on NZD CAD. What I think that this price it is now started to drop NZD CAD, as I told you, because of the news released. So it's doing exactly what we have expected. Let me look at more, and then we'll look at to see what it might happen. So let the candle close after 24 minutes, and then we'll see what could be the situation with NZD CAD. Okay, we'll look at all of them one by one, guys and girls. Make sure you give a big thumbs up. Let me look at the chat. You can use the live chat, guys and girls. If you have any question, if you want to ask anything, you can request your pair to be analyzed. I'm here for you to help you in your trading, to analyze the chart. We'll look at all the pairs, including, you see that dollar yen, it's creating the doji that I'm expecting after this move. I think that we could find even a trade on dollar yen let's look at what happened. Hi coach, hope you are well and safe. Muhammad, I'm very good, I'm safe and well, thank you very much. Novice, hi coach, thank you Novice. Hi everyone from sunny London, thank you David from Sydney. In the evening, a little bit of cloudy, but that's good. I like all kind of weather. Haider from Pakistan, thank you very much. Rizwan, good day coach. Rizwan, thank you very much. Snowing, hi sir, good day, thank you very much. Hagai, good day. Forex coach, thank you very much. Hagai, Mohanad, thumbs up guys for coach, thank you very much for your invitation, thank you. I appreciate that when you give a thumbs up, it's really helped the channel to grow. It's really helped the price, the video to go up in the search engine. Thank you very much for your help. Let me look at Roger. Good morning, Roger. Thank you very much. Gil. Good morning, boss from Costa Rica. Looking forward to trading with you today. Your cat is looking bullish. What level do you see? We'll look at all of them, guys and girls. Good afternoon from Nigeria. Thank you very much, Harry. Coach, can you take a look at Gbpusd? I was looking at Gbpusd. Looks to me that a little bit of bullish move, but overall we have to look at it fully. We'll look at it. Too early to predict yet. Good morning coach, always grateful for your teaching, thank you. Caleb, thank you very much. David, greeting from GBP and ZD and GBP CHF Euro. Thank you very much. We'll look at all of them. Syed, hi from Germany. Syed, thank you very much. Hi, what the hell is going on? It's trend change. No, I don't think the trend change. Probably before the monthly close and weekly close, the price normally go for retracement. It's a healthy retracement. We'll look at all of them. Hi coach from Kenya, can you review US or look at it? So can you let us know what strategy you used today and ZUSD trade? Okay, Rohan asked for a good question. What strategy I have used for NZD USD trade today? So let me clarify that. So NZD USD trade that we have taken, let me look at it. Okay, so this is the trade that we closed with profit in our VIP Telegram VIP channel in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. It's a good trade, almost 1 to 1.5 nearly. Now I posted the same trade. Let me the reason I'm repeating it, because this is where the real learning come after the NZD USD. We'll go back to, so this is the NZD USD. You see that this is the trade that I posted early in Asian session, and I know that this is gonna happen, and this happened, and we secured with profit. And as soon as I sent to our VIP, and also I sent to the community in Trading View for the followers so that they can make money from it. Give a big thumbs up if you have seen that. If you haven't seen that, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Follow me in all the social media. You can find the link in the description. So now let me tell you NZD USD how you can catch this kind of trade that I have sent to the VIP students today, and we did a good profit on it. Okay, so this is the trade that we have sent to our VIP students, NZD USD trade, which we closed here a little bit earlier than profit target. The profit target was 2 times, we secured 1.5 times, which is pretty good for us. Now let me repeat that. Everyone asked this question. Let me answer this. So first of all, as you can see, this is what I look at. Always look for a market, okay, that is overextended in the opposite direction of the trend, guys and girls. It's very, very crucial. When you find a market overextended in the opposite direction of the trend, if you trade it, it's a high probability. Now you can see, you have seen that yesterday NZD USD, due to the monthly close coming, we have seen an aggressive move to the upside in opposite direction of the trend. So what happened, that it basically has broken the local structure. Okay, local structure. Keep in mind that a trend is not built in one day, okay? And do not expect a trend to be end in one day. This is the key points that you need to always pay attention when you are trading, guys and girls. So because a trend is not built in one day, a trend is not shouldn't be ended in one day. So after this vertical move overextended to the upside, local structure is broken, we have seen this bearish engulfer. Okay guys, to predict the market you don't need millions of indicators. Okay, couple of things aligning, you are perfect for your trading journey. Okay, so what we have seen, the price is overextended to the upside. Okay, you can see this is an overextended market, and we have seen a bearish engulfer is formed in the opposite direction of the trend, but the bearish engulfer in the direction of the trend above the 20 period moving average. So this is a 90% probability trade. Most of the time I try to take at least 90% probability trade. So 90% probability trade means that out of 9 trade, out of 10 trade, at least should be 8 to 9 trade should be winner. That is what I call a 90% probability trade. Now what we have seen that the price on the in this time frame, we have seen NZD/USD has created this bearish engulfer. If you closely look at, you see the price has crossed the high, crossed the low fully, and created this bearish engulfer. Now with that bearish engulfer, NZD/USD has given us an opportunity to sell. I have sold, and also I send the same trade to our students. Now if you wanna don't miss out this kind of trade and also learn my strategy, the real strategies that is available in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is the best trading education you'll ever find. You can say that the best in the world is going to be. Day by day we are improving. This is one of the best. You see that, look at this one here. This is our trend following strategy now translated into an script which is available for trading view users. If you are our student in our lifetime membership program, you will be able to use this indicator. You will be given this indicator for using. It's our first you learn the strategy and then you will use the indicator. You see there is only one sell signal. If you take this trade, then look at what happened. Okay, so this is what, there's a lot of things coming in the academy. So I will suggest you to go to the link, visit the link in the description area. You can find a link for joining Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So now let's look at, so after this bearish engulfer, I have straight sold NZD/USD and we secured profit. Me secured, as you can see in our own, in your own eye, you can see that our students secured the profit. If you are our student, you will be doing the same thing. So now let me see what happened. Where is the replay chart? Okay, so probably it has gone on. All right. So what happened later, you can see NZD/USD. Now it's coming down again. You see this is a liquidity gap during this big news announcement. We see that there is a rejection from the top on NZD/USD as well. So always trend is preferred. You see that the price now rejecting to the downside, going in the direction as expected in all the analysis. So let me look at now what's happening in the chat. Then we'll look at, and they said what's the hell is going on Gbpusd. Okay, good afternoon coach Kingsley, good afternoon, thank you very much. How about euro dollar? Yeah, no, I don't think the trend change. It's a liquidity gap before the monthly close it happens, and you have to, like, this is a timing that you need to keep in mind. Good morning coach, how come you are missing from by gold yesterday? Okay, so afternoon from Kenya. Julian, thank you very much. Now, OS oil, please. What can you say about USD CAD? Rizban will look at it. Kakulan, hi, thank you very much. Hi, Sadla from Pakistan, thank you very much. Hello, coach. You increased your subscription. I want to subscribe. Chimutio, we didn't look. The value it's coming is huge. Go to the live chat area. If you have any question, you can talk to the live chat. No problem. Chimutio. Your teaching is exceptional and so rewarding. Thank you, FX Wizard. God bless you. Thank you, Hagai. Thank you very much for your um, appreciation. We see that NZD now creating some rejection expected, as I told you guys. On some good day, coach. Dear coach, I haven't have trading view premium. How to go with TF strategy? Satiram will create for other platform as well. No problem. You can have that. Coach, can I catch the trade now? Julan, which trade you want to catch? Let me know. Hi, coach. Thank you very much. Hello, coach. What do you think about dollar yen? So let's go to the dollar yen. Today, early, I have posted analysis on dollar yen. Let's look at what I think that dollar yen to me is bullish. Okay. How do you know either an instrument is a bullish or bearish? Guys, you will know an instrument is bullish or bearish. Look at this NZD cat, guys. See what happened? Now, just for a moment, let me run the because this is the real thing, guys. You need to learn. It's not all about just what I am analyzing. See, this will really change you, open your eyes, and I want you just 2-3 minutes time from you. Okay, I want to run this NZD CAD analysis that I posted today on YouTube and TradingView. If you haven't watched that, it's really eye-opening. You can watch that. I'm gonna run it.
I'm feeling much better
I
since I
request
started
you to
managing all
pay
our work.
attention for 1 minute. This is the real education you will find, guys. So make sure you pay attention on NZD CAD analysis early today I made, and then check with the real chart, guys. I want 2-3 minutes from you. It's very important that you hear this analysis. Complete multi-time frame analysis of NZD CAD and AUD. So let's see a little bit of move forward we have in both of these CAD pairs. As you can see, later today NZD and CAD news is coming. Then I'll explain everything, guys. Now let's find out how we can trade, starting with this is NZD CAD. We'll first look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Now starting with monthly time frame, we see that NZD CAD on the monthly perspective, it is a highly bearish market. Don't leave the live stream. This is the NZD CAD analysis early I posted, and then I'll explain. I'll correlate the analysis with current price action so that you can learn next time. By recently, we have seen a very strong breakdown retracement created back to back two dodges, and we have seen again another strong drop on the monthly perspective. Now, what we can expect this kind of movement? We can say that NZD CAD is likely to drop further as the price action is highly bearish. But where we can expect to sell? First, let's draw the possible level of support and resistance. This is the nearest level of resistance that we can see on NZD CAD on the monthly perspective. Now let's look at the weekly time frame to see how the price action is doing. Now on the weekly, we have seen the price action is highly bearish as well. We have seen there is a head and shoulder has been formed and then has broken down, creating first of all quite a few dodges, series of lower high. That's a strong bearish price action, has broken down from this head and shoulder. Now this current week we have seen as soon as market open, there's a breakdown. Now the price is where there is a weekly opening and closing. Let's draw all this possible level of resistance zone to see where we can find next selling opportunity for NZD CAD. If we look at now daily time frame, we see that there are two. Guys, I want you to pay attention now. Important zone on NZD CAD that we can expect now for possible shorting opportunity. First of all, this one, as you can see, is the weekly opening and closing zone, and this is the weekly high in this time frame. Now, what do you see? There is a little bit of imbalance in this area. This is the previous swing low with this weekly high, around 18 pip imbalance in this market. What I think that this is the daily chart, the price action is highly bearish. Then where we can expect for potential trading opportunity, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we see that NZD CAD creating series of lower high along this zone. Now what I'm expecting now, NZD CAD, during this news announcement, we could see some upprice strengthening of NZD over CAD. And what I think that NZD CAD might create a bullish candle along this zone, and this is what I'm expecting for the price. Look at this, guys. This is what exactly I mentioned, that NZD CAD is likely to come here, a higher high, okay, create a lower high, this and then bearish angle for drop, high volatility. Okay. So now let's go back to the real chart and see what happens. And look at this, what happened. What did NZD CAD do? Resistance is, it did exactly what was mentioned in the analysis. You see that when they created a lower high, exactly from that point NZD CAD has a strong rejection. Okay, so now let me tell you why did I posted this analysis, and how did this I have predicted. Okay, now this is the real thing that you will be learning, okay, in our news and price action trading strategy. Okay, there is a news going on. You see that on NZD CAD, okay, NZD and CAD news release, and our students is learning this strategy. Now you will be able to catch this kind of trade once you learn that strategy. Now the reason you see that, first of all, you need to look at the full analysis I have posted early today. It's always you have to look at the bigger picture. Okay, bigger picture is very, very important, guys. All right, now on the bigger picture, you see that on the weekly perspective, NZD CAD, on the monthly, weekly, it is in fact a highly bearish market. Okay, it's an extremely bearish market. Now we see the market is overextended. Okay, created this pattern here. This is a highly bearish pattern. Okay, so then how we will be able to trade now NZD CAD? What I think that you see the price firstly has created an impulse, right? And again there is an NZD news coming later at 11, just after 6 minutes. Okay, now at any point we could see now again a reversal to the upside. Okay, so after the candle close, just after 6 minutes after the news cleared, so there is a news coming up again. Okay, and then we'll know exactly where to enter a trade, and we will discuss all of them in this live session, guys and girls. Hopefully you are enjoying this live session. It's a completely unique. There isn't much music here, but there is a real stuff that you need. So make sure you smash the like button. If you want music, I can integrate music as well, because we had a lot of conversation. That's why I normally put down music, but I love music too. If you want music, I can integrate slowly. Let me know, guys and girls, if you want music. So this is what with NZD CAD. Now candle is going to close after 5 minutes, the first candle on this London session candle. So look at actually what might happen, and then we'll jump on the trade if there is anything. So AUD CAD also has given us an absolutely bearish candle. Let me look at everything. I think rather than AUD CAD, NZD CAD, AUD CAD is strongly bearish price action. Looking at all this time frame, monthly, daily. Okay, on AUD CAD, I still think that the price might test this daily 20 period moving average. Okay, so I will not be trading this one until I see, you see this is the AUD CAD, and I will be very happy to sell AUD CAD if it touch this daily 20 period moving average, which is here. So what I think that there we could see another wave that going up, and then we could see finally a drop. Let's see what happened, and then we'll decide which way the market is heading. In the meantime, guys and girls, let's look at all the pairs, how they are doing. Aussie yen, just looking at all the pairs so that exactly we know what we are doing. Okay, let me look at AUD and ZD. Okay, let's leave it aside. I'm just looking at all the pairs to see in fact which way the market might be heading. Okay, because it's at the end of the month, at the end of the week, very different price action you might find here. So you have to be very careful. Okay, euro dollar, you see this is the euro dollar. Okay, look at the daily. Okay, guys, I still don't think that it's fully bearish. Look, tomorrow is the last day of trading week, right? This is the monthly candle. Okay, what I think that, okay, this is the weekly candle on euro dollar. I don't think euro dollar is still bullish. Okay, it depends, really will depend on today what's happening. All right, if euro dollar, let's say on the daily time frame, is still remain like that, create a lower high, I still think that euro dollar will drop from this trend line. Okay, so if we look at 4-hour perspective on euro dollar, we see that there is a movement correction. It's now creating a shooting star, so lower high. What I think that euro dollar after this candle close, it will go up again, and from this zone it will drop. Okay, so let me tell you my prediction. What I think that euro dollar will go up again from this zone. Okay, or even could create a lower high along this zone and then could drop. Right, I don't think that euro dollar will fully be bullish, so a little bit of confusion, so will not be doing anything on these pairs. Okay, but NZD USD looking like a very highly bearish, but there is a news coming on NZD. All right, so we have to be a little bit of cautious on. Okay, NZD has given us narrow doji below the 20 period moving average, rejection from the top. Let me look at the daily, weekly, monthly, very crucial. Okay, all right, so there are two probabilities now for NZD to come down again and to shoot up during the news, or just continue to drop. So yeah, there is now two probabilities. One is to drop or to go up, so will not be trading NZD USD. we need to see what happened. There is a news coming. After news, the next one will tell us actually which way the market might be heading. Okay, so based on the next candle, we will decide either we will trade NZD USD or no, because you see that there is a strong rejection, but the price is still couldn't break the low, previous candle's low, and create a high. So what it could do in this news, it might go a lot of up and down on the lower time frame. During the news is coming at 11, but we will be covering the news. So after the news, we will know exactly what might happen. Okay, so let's go back to NZD CAD again, guys. You see what happened? Okay, NZD CAD, as I mentioned, this is what exactly mentioned in the analysis. The price did exactly. I think that NZD CAD has formed very strongly bearish price action, but during the news we could see some strength in NZD. In that case, what I think that this price will go up again from this zone. We could find selling opportunity. Okay, so let's wait during the news and then we'll see what happened. All right, this candle, it's a pin bar, right? A strong rejection, you can say not a pin, but it's a bearish engulfer. Tested this trend line here. If you have seen the analysis, exactly worked out well. Broke this high of the trend line, grabbed the liquidity. Okay guys, so now for me it's bearish, but we could see some movement to the upside during the news. Okay, so let's see how the news react on NZD, because CAD got stronger. If the NZD news comes, like it's a tentative, like what he says will depends on, but let him finish his speaking. And then what I think that, let me look at daily again. Let's see. Okay, so during the news time, okay, during the news announcement, if we see this price has gone up, we might sell NZD CAD. Okay, along this zone, this could be a very nice place for shorting NZD CAD. You can see what I think that it will do, something like that. It will move along this channel. Okay, it will move along this channel. So let the news come up after. Oh, already it's 11. Okay, it's 11. All right, so the news is going on, but it's not any data, that we can't see. So let it settle down first, because we can't play the news here. Let it settle down. It should go up first. Okay, and then we'll sell NZD CAD. So let me look at the chart. What you can say about gold today, sir? Yeah, we'll look at gold. For me, gold is moving in a sideways. We'll do full analysis on gold. USD CHF look like it created a double top and is now testing the neckline, has officially begun to reverse. Gbpusd USD CHF, we'll look at it. Good day, coach. Gbpusd AUSD. Yeah. Morning again from Trinidad Tobago. Thank you very much. Good morning again, thank you very much. Easy USD CAD is still a bullish market, still a reversal. We'll look at all of them. Please check GBP USD or look at, sir. Always enjoying your live wizard. Thank you, Rizban, very much. I also enjoy all of you guys and girls here. Thank you very much, sir. Please, euro dollar, yeah, GBP CHF. How many minutes from now is the news? Okay, so news already released. Okay, blessing us how to join. Okay, no problems. I'll let you know what you should do. Okay. let me look at USD CHF. From the monthly USD CHF, it's kind of dodgy. Weekly dodgy, daily. What I think, guys and girls, USD CHF might have another rejection. The reason is daily perspective. You see on the daily, if you closely look previous day, you see the high. So this is the subtle things that I pay attention. Look at this right candle here. If you closely look at, I mean, zoom in, you see the daily high is a little bit up, okay, and the price rejected. It didn't touch the 20 period moving average. What I think that USD CHF, as CHF is stronger, from here we could see a drop, but it doesn't mean that it's reversal. You see, I think that is a short-term drop, okay, and from this zone we could see something like that. Probably will come back to this level again, to this trend line. Let me draw this trend line. Okay, so USD CHF for me, because it's a neckline of this double top. Yeah, you're right, neckline of this double top here. You see this created a head and shoulder also here, and then we could see a drop from here, from this zone on USD CHF. Now the thing is that what I think that it will come, guys and girls, is here. Okay, it's gonna come to this trend line on the monthly close, and from here we could see something like this again. Okay, so with that in mind, USD CHF for me, it's in a very important crucial zone. So let me see if we can open any position in any pairs. Okay, so NZD CAD, let it go up. Very important. Should we open a position on USD CHF? Okay guys, so let's open a position on USD CHF. Okay, very tight stop loss on USD CHF, only 20 pips stop loss. Okay, I'll send the same trade to our VIP students. A tight stop loss, 20 pips stop loss, take profit at 0.9799. This is only for educational purpose, no, not any kind of investment advisor, investment advice. Okay, so this is the sell trade on USD CHF. If any one of your VIP members see this, you can open 0.9838 as at 0.9859 TP at 0.97997. Okay, so USD CHF we have open a sell position. Okay, from this zone I have also sent this trade signal to our VIP students, 20 pip stop loss on this one. Okay, so we will be shifting to Discord zone, guys and girls. We will be now, kindly we are on Telegram, we will be shifting to Discord. So this, soon I also have opened this trade in my trading account. Okay, so hopefully that anything can happen, everyone. As I'm telling you, this is only for educational purpose. Okay, anyone taking any kind of risk is your own risk. It's only for educational purpose, it's not any kind of investment advice. So USD CHF to me This is our EAR strategy we teach our students. Okay, anyone who is our VIP team in our VIP lifetime access plan, review our EAR strategy, you will see exactly it is matching to our EAR strategy in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Okay, this is the best trading academy you will ever find. So I would suggest you to check out the link in the description area, visit the website. So as soon as we open now on this trade, we are 6 pip profit. Let's keep it run and let's move on. Okay, so let me explain behind the theory. I can't reveal full strategy. If you are a lifetime member, you know the strategy already, but for those who are in this live session, probably not in our fully registered to our VIP community, so let me explain the reason behind the trade, how it is taken. Now USDCHF, first of all, if you closely look at, it's a long-term monthly perspective. It is a long-term bullish market. Okay, now what happened is that if you see that the price already in a zone where there is a lot of wicks in the candle on the monthly candle. Okay, you can see that there's a lot of wicks in that candle. That means that, but at the same time, if you look at the bigger picture, it's still a little bit of bearish. Okay, so it's a mix of bearish and bullish price action. Now if you just pay attention to only recent time frame, we see that USDCHF basically on the monthly, after the previous month's bullish candle, this month's created this doji. It's a big doji here. Okay, so let's look at the weekly. Now on the weekly perspective, we see that USDCHF has created a candle that has a long wick at the top. It's a very long wick. Okay, and then there is a doji on the weekly perspective, which is kind of bullish on the higher time frame perspective. But lower time frame, we see that on the daily, you see there is the previous day there was a strong rejection. Okay, followed by today the price reached this zone. Now from this zone anything can happen. Okay, but the thing is that you see this is the bottom of the doji. If we draw a resistance here and moving forward to 4-hour time frame, we see that basically the price, this is the neckline of this head and shoulder double top. This is the neckline of this double top, and what we have seen, basically the price has created a double top neckline. Okay, there is a wing here, left wing, this is the right wing. Now I am telling you, it is not impossible to see that the price again has another spike to the upside, even from this zone coming down. Okay, that is why it is important that all the trade you manage your risk all the time. Okay, but the way the price action form, what I think that it should come to some level where we can have our profit secured, because our risk is around 20 pip, so we should get at least 20 pip move down. That could give us a good profit on this trade. Okay guys, I need a big thumbs up guys. 2 seconds, I will count 2, 1, 0. Smash the like button. Okay, and also check out if you have subscribed the channel. If you haven't done yet, I'll suggest you to subscribe the channel. Just by subscribing, you will have a lot of content in this channel that will change the way you trade. And this weekend, quite a few educational videos will be released. Some educational content that you will not find anywhere. Okay, so USDCHF, we have opened a sell trade and also the same trade. Like early today, we have secured profit on NZUSD. You have seen that in our VIP group, and now we are now we have sent this one also to our VIP students. okay, with you guys and girls. In this live streaming YouTube I have opened, I have given this to the community. It's started to drop, okay, in the direction that we expected. Now we are almost 10 p profit. So what we will do, if as soon as the price will come to our 1-to-1 risk to reward zone, we will take 50% profit or close, whatever, we'll move our stop loss here, okay. So I want you to get the profit on the table, okay. This is my goal. Look, as a trader, I suffered a lot when I started trading. I understand that what a trader needs, and this is why Forex User is here to help the trader, okay, to become independent. I know how it feels like to lose money and become hopeless, not to have a strategy. So I want to help you, okay. This is the goal of this channel, is to help trader to become independent so that they can live the life they want to live, okay. So we see some downward move, all right. So our risk on this trade is 20 pip, so we are almost 15 pip profit. Let it go 20 pip, probably will close because it's against the trend. We might close the trade, and let first go to the 20 pip, take that 1-to-1 risk to reward, let it move down. Before it goes up, we'll close and take the profit out of the table, okay. So let me see where we should take the profit. Okay, let it come, let it give us some more profit, all right. Okay, so we are almost 1-to-1 profit now. Let it come down. In the meantime, guys, smash the like button, okay. This is our EAR strategy. If you want to learn that strategy to catch trade like that every single day, you can find a link in the description area. You can visit the website, but to learn the strategy, you need to join the lifetime access plan, where we teach our students this strategy that I have just opened the trade, and which is hitting almost our profit target in less than, I think, 10 minutes of time, okay. All right, so it's moving in the direction. We are almost there, 2 times profit target, but we are now more than 1 time profit target. So now let me know in the chat, do you want to close the trade or you want me to run? So guys, let me know, and then I'll do, let me see how you guys and girls are thinking, okay. All right, so we are almost 1.5 times profit on USD CHF. Okay, our profit target point, so move the profit target a little bit up, okay, move it to 0.9802. guys, we are almost hitting the profit target, okay. Okay, let's close the trade now. We are almost at a good profit. It might have a spike to the upside. Close the trade with full profit, okay. So close USD CHF trade with, for now, which is almost 1.6 times profit. Guys, give a big thumbs up. We have secured an awesome trade in less than 10 minutes of time. So in this trade, our risk, let me close, after talking I forgot my own trade to close, okay. All right, so we secured the 1.6 time profit on this trade, okay. The risk was 20 pip, we gained 31 pip on this one, 1.5 times exactly, okay guys. So hopefully that you are enjoying this live session, okay, from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now this is strategy that we use. If you visit our website, you will find that if you join our lifetime access plan, where you can learn this strategy. This is EAR strategy. Now this is a reversal trade, okay. There are two strategies satisfying this trade. Is one is our EAR strategy, and the one is our reversal trading strategy, okay. So USD CHF hit profit. I mean, we close profit a little bit early, but which is almost 1.6 times profit than our risk. So let me know, let me see in the chat section what you guys and girls doing in this session. Okay guys, so let me look at what is my trend following indicator is telling about this trade, guys. Let me look at it. Let me turn it on. Okay, what do you see, guys? You see sell. This is what I'm telling. This strategy is three strategies satisfying. One is our TF, trend following strategy. One is our EAR strategy. One is our reversal trading strategy. And if you visit our website, you will see all this strategy listed. And once you are our lifetime member, you learn the strategy and you don't have to spend a lot of time to find this kind of trade. Once you turn on this indicator in your trading view chart, you see this sell signal according to the strategy. So this strategy basically translated into a script where it will give you exact signal to sell, and then you can sell. But first you need to learn the strategy, okay. So to do that, you have to be the lifetime member of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is the best trading education where you have seen your own eyes how the strategy works. So now the rest is up to you. Now let's look at what happened, guys and girls. Keep in mind, this is only for educational. It's not any kind of investment advice, or this is an educational channel. I'm helping you to learn trading to become an independent trader. So now let me look at what's happening with NZD CAD. As I mentioned, NZD CAD might go up, and that could give us so back to back. Today only we secured two big profitable trades, okay. One NZD USD, you have already seen that. All right, this one NZD USD, this is the USD CHF trade. Just now we closed in this live session in front of you, and also our VIP students secured the same trade. And in the morning we have secured NZD USD trade. That morning is like the Sydney morning, in your zone could be different time. NZD USD, and also we secured full profit in it. And the same trade was posted in TradingView, just to show you that, because if you are following in TradingView, you probably have seen that directly, that trade that I have posted early. So look at this one here. When this candle formed, this one I posted in TradingView also, because I want to help everyone who is in trading, because I'm a trader. What I know, I want to give it to you. Now it's up to you, want to take it or no. So now let's look at, guys, what else in the chat, what you guys and girls are up to. I want to open account with Blueberry Market, but I can't use your link. The free cool hope. Why you can't use my link? The link in the description area, you can use that link. Why? Please check. What happened, Tariful? Why you can't use my link? What happened if you click the link, it doesn't go? Let me know in the chat. Sir, good day. Please gold. Yeah, sure, no problems. Hi, the Gbpusd. Yeah. What can we see MT4 version of TF indicator? Okay, so MT4 version for TF indicator is the expert advisor is under working. They will deliver soon, the team, and then we'll distribute to the students. Absolutely. Pubs, please GBP CHF. Yeah, absolutely. GBPSD. Thanks, sir. GBP CHF. Yeah. Keep up FX user. Thank you very much. Sir, kindly please. GBP, pardon me. Boss, I closed 50% of the trade. You will close fully, no problem. Now we are in full profit. Okay. Run. I highly recommend joining lifetime plan. Celebi, he is our lifetime student, real student. Okay. He is recommending lifetime plan. Look at this. See, in trading niche, I'm being honest with you guys. In trading niche, it's very hard to find the real education. Okay, I suffered because I was a real-time sufferer in trading niche. Okay, the reason is very simple, guys. Look, when I started trading, quickly share my journey with you. Okay, many of you know that, but let me tell you, when we secure this profit, okay, on USDCH, everyone is happy. So let me tell my story, and I will know your story also. You know that when, okay, before I tell my story, tell your story, let me know why you are trading. One question. Another question is, have you blown any account? If you want to tell. If you don't want to, I will respect you completely. No need to tell. So USDCH is dropping further, and it will continue to drop. Okay, so we closed our trade because I want to give you some profit. Okay, because I didn't want to make it to the other direction. So probably you are new, you want to have some profit from the trade, though it is educational. Probably you are trading on the demo account, but it will build confidence. Okay, when you get the profit in your account, even if it is a demo account, it will build your confidence, and this is my intention. It's all about confidence. Okay, once you are confident, you can do it. All right, so this is the goal of this trade, is to help you. So in the meantime, guys, let me know why you are trading. One question: why you are trading, the reason, and have you lost any money in trading, or have you blown out account? If you want to say that, say. If you don't want to say, no problem. So in the meantime, let me look at some pairs. Okay, my account on edge nearly blown up. Okay, very good. No, not very good. I'm sorry. It's so sorry to hear that. The Gbpusd coach, you are a blessing. Thank you very much, Alda. Usdjpy opportunity, no problem. So look at it. You any recommended broker for Trinidad and Tobago? Tired Euros. Okay, so for Trinidad and Tobago, very far. Look at it. Okay, you know that I love to recommend the regulated broker, and that is the thing that that I don't want to misguide my students or my followers. So that is the reason. The blueberry market that I'm recommending, they are regulated, very high quality broker, and I'm recommending that. That is the reason that. Okay, we'll look at it, and please look at US30, look at it, look at Gbpusd. Okay, so I'm growing mine now, and I thank you so much, really planning a big role in my trading journey. Yeah, of course, it's really small account, 15, no problem, that's fine. Trading in a small account is the best decision you will ever made. I'm trading to be financially free. Very good. Trading for financial freedom and growth of my skill. Very good response from you guys. Listen, see, I'm telling you something that no one will tell you. If you really want to be successful as a trader, do one thing. Today, find out a clear reason for trading. See, this is the subtle thing that people don't pay attention. You know why? See, we are a human. Okay, I will finish in 1 minute. I want you to pay attention. It's also important, like that the profit we made, what I'm saying is also really help you in your trading so that you can make more profit. See, we human, okay, we operate by our middle brain. So we have a brain, right? This is the brain, and the midbrain is what I call amygdala or limbic system. Okay, so what we do, our action is governed by this midbrain. This is an emotional brain, and that emotional brain is mainly responsible for all kind of activities in our life. Even in trading, you see that you have heard of many times that emotion in trading, okay, is fear, greed is an emotion. So this every kind of emotion is being generated by this middle brain. Now that middle brain cannot understand any verbal language. It is all about your reason, okay, your intuition, your internal feeling is governed by this midbrain. So once it is generating fear, you have to override that fear with a greater emotion. So what that emotion is basically some kind of reason that is truly heart touching. For example, let's say you have children, could be or may not be. If you have a children, write down in a paper that I'm trading because of my children. See, reason, if the reason is for others, sometimes it becomes very emotional than ourselves. If you say that I want to be financially free, everyone, I want to be too. But if the reason is outside of you, that really creates a big emotion in your middle brain. So if you write down that why you are trading, you say that, okay, I'm trading to create a better future for my loved one. I love my children, partner, whoever. Write it down in a paper. Create that emotion to drive you to find the better trade, and that is the first thing that you need to do to create, a trigger of emotion in you, so that other emotions cannot control your trading. Okay, so and then finding a reason is very important so that you don't blow out, and then learn proper risk management, learn strategies. Okay, yeah, that's it. Look, even you can become a trader without joining anywhere, but you will blow out a couple of accounts. So once you have mentored, probably you will have less blown out. That's I can say. Anyway, let's jump on to trading again, find out what's happening on gold and other pairs. Okay, so gold, let's look at gold, what's happening with this one here. Now if we look at gold on the monthly perspective, what I'm thinking that tomorrow is the last day of the month. Okay, let's draw a level of support here. Okay, so now if we draw, this is the monthly support that has broken support here. Okay, support here, support here, that is broken. From this support on the monthly, now the price is going up, which is healthy retracement, guys. Look, you will not find a market that is moving in one direction all the time. The market will go up and down, up and down. Now on the monthly perspective, we have seen that the price has broken this monthly level of support on gold. Now if we look at the weekly perspective, we see the previous week this support is broken. Right now this is the weekly candle which is going to close after 1 day. What I'm thinking that I don't think that this price will go far on the upside. Could go on the daily. Okay, now for me, a couple of things need to be aligned to sell gold again. As you have seen, when I saw that USD CHF sell, I sold and we made profit from this live stream. Okay, I need a big thumbs up, smash it, and also don't forget to subscribe. Now the thing is that gold, this is the daily chart, right? Let's say if this daily candle closes something like that, cannot break this high, okay, then I will be straight sell gold from this trend line. Okay, this is the first thing I need to align, so I need to wait for that. Now on the other thing, there is another probability for gold now to go up, which is a bit bigger probability. Why I'm telling you, but I will not be buying. Don't be a buyer on gold. It's a long-term bearish market, selling is always good idea. Now gold, you can see that, you see there is a narrow doji here, wickless candle. Yesterday gold broke this low, okay, broke this low, and then you see that gold has broken this low and then aggressively gone up, right? Because this candle has a liquidity grab, there is a probability for another candle to be formed on top of it. I'm saying that probability, not guaranteed, because it's against the trend. So again I'm repeating, because previous day gold has a liquidity grab from this zone, and this is a big green candle, okay, there is another probability for gold to go up. Now if it goes up, then look at the weekly time frame again. All right, this is the weekly chart or monthly chart. You see, this is exactly what there is the previous support zone acting as a resistance, this dotted line, right? Now if we convert that dotted line into daily, we see exactly in that zone there is a daily 20 period moving average, and that is the zone that I will sell everything for gold, okay? When on the daily perspective, okay, if the price come here on the daily time frame, in this daily 20 period moving average, I will be watching the price action which is on the lower time frame, okay, on the 4 hour or on the hourly. In this zone, I'll be waiting for a price action confirmation for shorting gold. All right, from this zone, from this zone I'll be shorting gold to take a big move to the downside with our students. If you want to be my students, there is a link in the description area. You can visit the website. There is a live chat. If you have any question, you can ask. 24-hour available, the live agent Isa, she will be able to answer your questions. Sometimes I look after the chat in busy time because I have some good, I want to take care of you guys and girls. And also Isa is there. She's a very good helpful to you, so ask her if you have any question. She will be able to answer you. If you want to talk to me, tell her to forward it to me. She will forward it to me and we can move forward. So with that in mind, guys and girls, let me look at the USD CHF trade that we have opened and closed with full profit. So you see that USD CHF trade has now gone even past our profit target. Now let me look at again, for those who join later in this live session, let me review that trade again. So what worked, let's review it, okay, so that we can next time we can catch this kind of trade. Now USD CHF, when you have seen in this live session, when this candle was forming here, okay guys, here at that time I called for this trade, right, which is 1.6 time profit. We have close to it. Now the reason, I have someone of you already told me in the live chat, that in the chat area, that USD CHF has formed a double top on the neckline. This is the education that I give, guys. So first of all, let's look at what are the points that triggered this trade, what I have taken this trade. I have sent to our VIP students, and also I have given this you guys in community for free in this live YouTube live. Now first of all, look at this USD CHF, what it did. It's a big double top formation, right? A big double top. Now with that big double top formation, it's a sign of reversal, right? Now then what we have seen, a big drop, strong drop to the downside on USD CHF, followed by quite a few smaller candles, okay, retracement to the upside. And then what we have seen, look at this candle, when it is closed, this candle has given us a sell opportunity on USD Why? Because there are a couple of things is aligning. First of all, when you see a reversal, according to reversal, always keep in mind, I never trade reversal by guess, and also I don't recommend anyone, any of a student, to trade reversal by guess. So this is a reversal, right? Double top. What you need to do, wait for the neckline to be tested, previous support acting as resistance, and then need a price action confirmation for selling or taking the trade. Upon closing of this candle, this is our trend following strategy satisfied, and also our EAR strategy satisfied, and also our reversal strategy satisfied. So three strategy that we had, both all of these three satisfied, and one of them we already have that translated into a script that is available for all the lifetime member in our Forex Trading User Academy. So we see a sell signal on this one, you can see that. So once you learn the strategy, you will be able to use that script in your TradingView platform. It's available for you. You can once you join lifetime, you can use that script. After learning the strategy, it's available for you along with any other trading tool. Now guys, what happened is that this instrument, what I think that it will continue to drop further as you have seen some kind of bearish move. What I think that USD will come back to this trend line, at least to this level. Okay, so I think it will come back to this, and then we might see some other movement, but anyway we have taken that. And also if you closely look at, there is a, you see there is a, if you consider this as a head, there is a left shoulder and there is a right shoulder. There is a head and shoulder has been formed in this pair. Okay guys, so let me look at blown account trading crypto. That's completely okay. I understand it's okay to blow. I have blown 600 trading, but strategy, I'm slowly making it back. Thank you, Clevy. No problems. Rizban 14 months didn't blow my account yet. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you very much. I'm trading for freedom, all sorts. Blown several accounts, no problem. Adu, that's fine. We all in the same journey. I have also blown out. I'll tell my story. I am Blueberry linked with TradingView. Blueberry, I don't think Blueberry linked with TradingView. I think Pepperstone is linked with TradingView. What is going on Gbpusd? Look at it, sir. Are you not analyzing Gbpusd? I think we discussed Gbpusd. Look at it again. Yep, trade with 10k and now left with 4k. Going part-time after work, paid work, TF trend following, but quite a okay, so hi, please analyze Gbpusd. Learning some better free check and very poor from the Rabi. I was going Gbpusd and Faisal Gbpusd, please. Yep, US30 is falling. Coach, kindly check Gbpusd. How not to blow an account. Very good. Freddy asked a very good question. Thank you very much. So let me look at now. Gbpusd. What's happening with that? So yeah, so Gbpusd. Okay, this is the monthly. Tomorrow monthly closing is coming. We see some volatility on Gbpusd. Let me look at it. First look at the monthly. Okay, all right, so what happened is that GBP, if you look from very far on the monthly perspective, see what did I say a couple of days ago? You remember or no? I think 2 days or 3 days ago. You see there is a term called mean reversion tendency or mean reversal tendency. Exactly, let me Google that word, then I'll tell you exact word. mean, yeah, mean reversion. Okay, so mean reversion, sometimes English calls trouble. Okay, so there is a term called mean reversion tendency. Okay, there is a strategy behind this as well. So what is mean reversion tendency is that, see, this is the monthly chart on GBP USD, right? Where GBP, look at this here, this is the bottom. So what happened is that the price, let's say a market like this, okay, right, like this. So what is the average of this price is around this zone, right? So when the price goes far from this average, this average line, it acts like a magnet. Okay, it's like a magnet. So what happens is when the price is too far from this average, the price craves to come, like people crave, you see sometimes you hear that craving, the prices start to crave to come back to the near the average. Okay, it attracts, like the law of attraction. So what happened, if you closely look, see from very far point of view, GBP USD is very far now from this mean. So if you consider by your own eyes, where will be the mean? The mean could be something like that. You see, not like, I don't think this like this, something like that. Let's draw this one here. Can't figure out exactly from our, like, you know, common sense perspective. If you take it in the middle, that could be a, you know. So with that said, you see this is the line, let's say the mean reversion. What with that said, we could potentially see some upward movement now on GBPUSD, but it doesn't mean that now it's going up. We'll see a lot of up and down. We have to see the shift of environment from bearish to the bullish, but slowly we need to think about it. Now, long time I was telling bearish, but now I have to also stop telling bearish, because now the market is changing. I have to change my system also, like not my system, like my analysis based on what the new market condition. So now weekly perspective, we see there is a pin bar or a doji is being formed. Now look, when you look at the weekly, we see further possibility to drop. Now when you see, let's say if a doji like that, okay, in the lower time frame, we still can expect a drop before going up. Okay, but we need to think that slowly the price might start to reverse. Now looking at the daily, okay, the way the price action formed GBPUSD, it has broken this daily trend line. You see that this is the daily trend line. What I think now, the price in the primary movement, we could see a retest of the daily 20 period moving average. Could see, it doesn't guarantee. So with that said, let me look at now 4 hour. Let me draw a level here as well on the daily. So on the 4 hour perspective, okay, so now in what situation I will be going long on GBPUSD? Let me tell you, first of all, what could be a possible reversal. First of all, if you look at this candlestick, you see that very strongly green candle. You see bottom of the candle, huge volume in it, right? Back to back two. Now the situation that I need for shorting GBPUSD, what I think that GBPUSD need to come to this level. Okay, finally, for longing, not shorting, sorry, for going long on GBPUSD, I need to see that it has tested this trend line here. Okay, so we could potentially see like that, and then we could see some bullish move, and in that case, all right, we potentially could see something like this and then going here, which is the main zone, main reversion. Okay, so which is the neckline of this zone. It's a big move if it happens. All right, could happen because the price came to a very important zone. Again repeating, for me to go long with Gbpusd, either I need to see the price has created a long wick candle along this trend line, tested this zone, came back down here, okay, created a strong reversal, then I'll go long, or I need to see established uptrend like the one that you have seen here, okay, or need to see clear price action that we have just secured profit on USD. You can see that, okay, clean reversal, and then we can go along with Gbpusd. But for the time being, we'll be observant. Okay, that's how it is. See, you need to be very choosy in your trading. Today we have secured NZUSD and USD, both of this trade profitables. Don't you think that 2 profitable trades, full profit, isn't it enough for the day, or even I think for months, some people, isn't it? So that is trading. You have to be very patient, and when the right opportunity comes, take it. Be patient. According to JC Livermore, okay, a legendary trader, some of you have heard of him, he said that money comes from sitting, not from trading. It's a very important quote. So you have to learn to sit and be patient, wait for the right opportunity come, and then trade it. So in the meantime, guys and girls, let me look at the chat. At the same time, if you want to check out my Forex Trading Wizard Academy website to learn our strategies and also trade with me every single day, like incredible winning rate you have seen in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can visit the website. Go to the website, click join now button if you want to join. There is a live chat option available. Isa, she is always available there for you. If you have any question, you can ask her. Okay, Iran, thank you very much. Gil, thank you, boss. No problem. Good job, Wizard. Thank you very much. What is going on Gbpusd? So we see that Gbpusd for me, it's showing some bullish move. Let's see what happened. We could see reversal like that even. Okay, so if we see very strong reversal, as I told you that this is my want to be like that, but it may not do like that. It could be very strong reversal. In that case, if I see slow retracement, I will be buying Gbpusd. Okay, you can't be insisting one plan in trading. Whatever comes on way, if it satisfies the rules, we have quite a few strategies to trade in all kind of market situation, all kind of situations. So we'll be using any of them, like the one that we did just on USD. 3 strategies satisfy that trade, and we have taken the profit out of the table. So God bless you. Thank you very much, Urban. God bless you too. Thank you very much for your appreciation. In a small account, just started 2.5 profit. Okay, great live trade. Thank you. Great live. Thank you very much, David. Thank you very much. Gbpusd. We are also happy to be one of your BAPS student. Mahon, thank you very much. Thank you. I really I'm also grateful for all of you for being in this move. Now let me share my journey with you. Probably you haven't heard previously, but if you haven't heard of it, I'm telling you again. See, I started when I started my trading as a new trader. I didn't know anything, and I thought that I can do everything. I was doing a job that is really hectic, stressful, okay, and it was really horrible for me because what I was doing I didn't like, but at the same time I know that I can do something, and I accumulated 100k trading account, okay, and I started full-time trading, leaving the job. In the first week, okay, I lost 10k, and then in one night in gold I lost $90,000. That was devastating for me because I didn't have anything else. That's only the money that I had. Okay, I was, it was a horrible. I couldn't say anyone, not in family, not in anyone, because this is the last thing I had. And I went back to job again, but in back of my mind, because in Australia the trading time is in the night, so I worked on the day. In the night, I sat in front of the trading chart and just replayed the chart. Watch the live chart. Give guys, watching the live chart is very important. Days after days after days, and finally I found my strategy. I made it happen. If you believe, it will happen. Okay, so from that place, I created this Forex Trading Wizard Academy to help the trader, because when you go through the pain, you can understand the pain of others, how it feels like to lose money, not being able to be profitable. So to help the trader, I'm here. If you want to take that advantage, you can take. I'm on YouTube, I'm on TradingView, I'm in my Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I will be in for the rest of my life in this zone, so I'm always here. Okay, thank you very much. So let's begin further analysis. Okay, let's look at, please coach, still waiting for GBP CHO and GBP NZD. Okay, David, we'll look at it. NZD CAD, please. Gbpusd could highly considerable upward. Okay, we'll look at it. Thank you. I'm trading for freedom. Very good, very good. Thank you very much, everyone. We deserve the freedom. Okay, you deserve the freedom. You'll get short now. I learned a lot from Dr. Nizam. Thank you. God bless you. No problem. Fair day. Thank you very much. Thank you. So let's look at now some of the pairs that initially we were talking about. One of them is NZD CAD. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, NZD CAD again going up, which is happening. Okay. Okay, so let me look at the daily chart. All right. Let me look at, delete this one here. Okay, this is the daily chart. Let me look at the weekly. What I think, guys and girls, about NZD CAD is, look, if NZD CAD, I'm telling some conditions, if it fulfills, that will happen. Tomorrow is the last day of trading week. If NZD CAD remain, I think that this weekly candle might close like that as a doji, okay, as a hanging man. If NZD CAD does this, what I think that the price might do is, the price might break this weekly high, okay, will go up, grab liquidity, and then will drop again. So if that's the case, if you go to the daily, we see that this is the daily high. There's a doji. Look at 4 hour. Okay, even we could potentially see, let's see how this candle is forming, this current one. If this current candle, this current one is going on, if it remains below the previous one's low, okay, let's say along this zone, we even could see NZD CAD is coming down, but it's too early to say because it's still 3 hours for this candle. Even it could go up and break out. Okay, it's probability. We'll look at it, what happens. All right, guys, so let me look at GJ. Seems to be bullish. Let me look at GJ. Okay, quickly we'll look at all of them. GJ, yeah, looks like that. I think that is, look, if Gbpusd become bullish, all right, because yen is weaker than dollar. Okay, now if Gbpusd is bullish, definitely GJ is bullish. Okay, and if we look at bigger picture monthly, there is a, this is the monthly candle, and what you see, this monthly candle GJ came is an absolutely big liquidity gap. This is the support. You can see GJ came to this. This is a long-term bullish market, but it has crashed all the, you see that this is the lowest point of the previous swing low, okay, and then created this massive move to the downside on the monthly. Now we see it is pushing high. But I think that after the month, if the monthly close like that, wow, the price will move is like this. I think we might see first a push up, come down, push up like this. We might see very long consolidation in this zone. It's a big zone, so should be okay for us to trade. Weekly, this is the weekly candle that has a big rejection from the bottom. Now on the weekly close, what I think, see that this is the neckline. Let's go to the daily, then you will understand what I'm saying. If you go to the daily, you see this is the daily 20 period moving average on GJ. What I think that this price will do, GJ, the movement will happen like this. First of all, this is a long-term support on the daily. There is a daily 20 period moving average. So the price will go there, okay. Probably on the daily we might see some price action and then we'll come back down, all right. We'll come down probably along the zone. We'll probably create a higher low like that, okay, and then we'll go up like this, okay. This will be the move, I think that, okay, for GJ, and that could be the channel that GJ might create over the long term. Smash the like button now, okay. But I think that GJ will go in that fashion, all right. So for me now to trade GJ, these are the zone that I will be waiting for GJ to give me possible trading opportunity. All right guys, so what I will be waiting is, first of all, this is the zone that coming up next, daily 20 period moving average. From that zone we'll be looking for shortage, not shortage, short trade, and then we're looking for like that way. So this could defy, but what I think that could be the situation with Gbpusd. Keep a screenshot of it and see what happened over time, how much accurate Forex Wizard Academy. So with that in mind, guys and girls, let's look at what other pairs is doing. Great job, learning a lot. No problem, Galaxy, thank you very much. It's telling you I blow my account $10,000. It's hard to go back in the game. I know it's hard to go back in the game. Yeah, it's see, look, I will not tell you insist on it, okay. Ask yourself, this is the best answer you will find from your heart. What your mind or heart wants to do it, okay. If it is hard for you, find something else, it's completely fine, okay. But what I did is, I know that this is something for me and I did it, okay. So everyone has his journey. My account is okay, I know that. Gbpusd, please, thank you very much. What's this? Okay, so I don't know, this guy came to, they jump on the chat, these people, I don't know, is it bot or people. I have already put a lot of keyword on the block list, but it's still how they come. I have to put some more word on it. Anyway guys, ignore them. So let me look at, okay, so we have seen almost time is getting up. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, AUD CAD is heading to this daily 20 period moving average, which is expected, as I mentioned, and and that could be a zone where you could potentially see a rejection. Probably we could see a breakout and then a rejection on AUD CAD. Look at AUD CHF, Aussie Yen. So I'm just looking at quickly all the pairs to see what's happening. Okay. Aussie CHF from this zone we have. Okay, Aussie CHF we are running a trade as well, which is running in good profit. Okay, which is running in profit, a bit more bigger profit trade. We will keep running that trade. Okay, Aussie Yen, Aussie dollar. I'm just looking. Okay, CAD CHF. We see a very strong rejection from the top. CAD CHF approaching the level of support where it has created a bearish engulfer. I think that CAD CHF it will continue to drop as well. You see that this current candle is a strongly bearish. It will continue to drop. So before I wrap up, I'm gonna quickly predict all these pairs. So AUD and ZD, you see that after this, I think that this green candle, you can see, to me it's a liquidity grab. Now after crossing this, we see some drop. Now as I mentioned in all my analysis, over the long term AUD and ZD is bullish, but the market is overextended, and I think that AUD and ZD will continue to drop in this direction for at least certain level. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin, which is bearish highly. Ethereum bearish. Okay, Eurujpy creating price action. So Euro looking like a bit bullish strongly. So GBP CAD, we closed this trade with profit before. Yeah. Okay, looks like that GBP got some momentum. All right, I think it's reversing GBP, as I told you that it's normally goes for a mean reversion tendency. So because GBP getting stronger, on gold we might see some bullish momentum, as I mentioned. So what I'm expecting for the gold to go to this daily 20 period moving average, okay, which is testing the monthly support as resistance. All right, so for me gold, now we could see some bullish move, but I will not be buyer on gold. As I mentioned before, it is still in downtrend, so we'll keep observing. All right guys, and ZD CAD, we have seen a rejection, now going up, so let them happen. So US30, okay, US30 guys, creating a very, we have seen, this is for me US30, it's a liquidity gap. You can see that. So NAS100 and US30, both of them grab the liquidity from the top, okay, from this zone, and you see that the acted previous support, acted as resistance, grab liquidity. Now we have seen a drop. So NAS100 is a very strongly bearish. Now you see back to back quite a few liquidity grab. Now it has momentum and it's coming down. So for trading them, I need a bit retracement, because you see the price already aggressively drop, and we need retracement again, okay, probably along this 20 period moving average, and then once we will see bearish price action, we'll be trading. Okay guys, hopefully okay, dollar yen, let me look at daily. Okay, it is not unusual to see some breakdown in dollar yen. Okay, price action is bullish, but it is not impossible to see. So this is the weekly trend line here. Okay, it is a bullish market, but because the monthly candle is closing, this is the monthly candle, the price is at the top, so it is not unusual to see some breakdown in dollar yen. Dollar yen does this all the time. Okay, so dollar yen does this. It could possible that dollar yen to come back to this zone again. Why? Because you see there was a reversal happen in dollar yen. You see there is a liquidity gap, big W formation or double bottom formation like that. This neckline on dollar yen has not been tested yet. So what I think that there is a probability for dollar yen to come back to this neckline, but I will not be doing anything until it's a bullish market. If it drops, then I'll let it drop here, and from this zone we could see some again bullish move. So keep it aside. So what we needed to trade, we already have traded in this live session: USD CHF, early today NZD USD. So this is the situation, guys. Keep in mind, tomorrow is the last day of the month and last day of trading week. Make sure you guys and girls stay in the present in this live chat, live session, live YouTube streaming to know what's happening in the market. To do that, make sure you smash the like button. I need a lot of likes, guys. Only everybody check if you smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. With that said, tomorrow, looking at the news calendar, there is a news coming at 10:30 p.m. which we'll cover in this live session. Make sure you present, and also in the meantime, early Asian session, there will be a lot of trade in Asian session, in London session and New York session, all sessions, because tomorrow is the last day of the monthly close, and I'm sure that we will find quite a few good trades. So if you want to trade that with me and also learn my strategies, I invite you to join the lifetime access plan or any other plans that are available in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Visit the website in the link in the description. Also, you can find the link at the top of the chat. All right, to trade with us and to learn our strategy. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon tomorrow. Stay safe, stay well, and also manage your risk when you are trading.